Winter brings harsh conditions that may change our day-to-day routines, but when it comes to our gardens, it can be a struggle for life or death. Depending on where you live, winds can roar, rain and snow can pour, and temperatures will fall, sometimes to below freezing points. It can be a challenge to keep our ornamental foliage and trees alive in these conditions, so in this video, we'll go over a few tips and products you can use to keep your ornamental plants and garden beds safe up to spring. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. No matter what climate you're in, preparing your garden beds for winter will take time, so you'll want your preparations to be complete by October to mid-November. For the best results, we recommend you complete these preparations several weeks before the first frost settles in your region. One of the first things you can do for your garden and shrubbery is to remove all the weeds sharing its soil. Weeds not only look unattractive, but they also steal nutrients away from your desirable plants, rendering them weaker and more vulnerable to stress, pests, and freezing winters. Start by pulling younger weeds out by hand. For hardier weeds, or perennial weeds that will return next season, we recommend you apply a selective weed killer like Expel Turf Herbicide. Expel is a suspended concentrate liquid herbicide that will provide post-emergent and pre-emergent control of labeled weeds. When applying Expel, you can use 0.092 to 0.275 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area to treat weeds in established container-grown and field-grown ornamentals, as well as landscape plants. When applied properly, you should see labeled weeds start to die within 24 hours. Dead and decaying plant parts act as signals for stress, pest damage, or even fungal activity. But it's important that as we address these issues, we also remove the old debris. With enough buildup, moisture can accumulate, which will lead to additional pests and fungal growth during dropping winter temperatures. We recommend you regularly rake your lawn of fallen leaves and that you pick up any fallen debris, like bark or branches. By keeping a clear surface, you allow more air to flow and encourage water evaporation, reducing the likelihood of any pest infestation or fungus. If there are wilting, dead, or decaying leaves still on your foliage and shrubbery, prune them off. Decaying plant parts will only invite pests, so it's best to get rid of the old growth to make room for newer growth. If your area experiences excessive winds and rainfall over fall and winter, you may need to replenish your garden bed's soil. With a mix of your choice, remove a 2 to 3 inch band of the old soil and mix in new soil to invigorate your garden bed with nutrients. Afterwards, we recommend you apply a granular pre-emergent product to prevent any weeds from sprouting in your fresh soil. Products like Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide contain prodiamine, which will control broadleaf and grassy weeds. Apply this product at a rate of 2.5 to 5.94 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Depending on the size of your treatment area, we recommend you use either a handheld spreader or a push broadcast spreader. Once the product has been applied, activate the granules by watering the area with at least half an inch of water. If applied properly, over the next 60 days, you should notice zero weed activity. Be sure to reapply Barricade every 2 months for year-round control. Once you've completed preparations, the final thing you'll do is to monitor your plant's health. Cover them with burlap or a frost-tolerant fabric the day before freezing temperatures are predicted. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can prevent your lawn shrubbery from dying, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.